Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, home to over 12,000 students, placed in a serene setting right in the lap of nature. Its multifaceted and educative influence with highly equipped laboratories, a state-of-the-art Param 10,000 supercomputer and eco-friendly surroundings ensures overall development of students. The world-class research-intensive institution with national and international reputation provides higher education in an ambience rooted in rich Indian culture and heritage. Based on the Coimbatore campus, the research centers are envisioned as a platform to encourage and enhance research among the faculty of Amrita Schools of Business, Communication, Engineering and Social Work.
Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham was founded about 25 years ago, and it was a modest institute of science and technology with about maybe 180 students. Currently, we are about 18,000 students with a wide variety of disciplines and programs. We have over 200 programs now under the Amrita University, and Amrita School of Engineering happens to be a larger part of this whole university. We have 10,000 students at the School of Engineering and spread across 3 campuses.
In a very short time of about 15 years, the university has gained excellence in 5 I's: interdisciplinary, innovation, international, industry, and India development.
We all know India's love for engineering colleges is nothing new. There are thousands of colleges, and on top of that I wanted a peculiar subject, aerospace engineering, where the market is even more very picky, and to stand out from the crowd I needed a college that had its own brand value and it has its own merits, and for that I chose Amrita.
Special thing about Amrita is you have different kind of cultures pooling into a single place. We had the whole part and parcel of India in a single classroom. It gave me a complete outlook of how cultures used to work.
We have many foreign exchange programs from our department. We send pre-final year students and final year students in their even semester to Sweden and other countries for a foreign exchange program to the topmost universities of that places.
So the learning experience doesn't stop at just the classroom. It's more of project-based learning and hands-on research work. We inculcate this habit right from the undergraduate first year or second year, so they get in tune with how to think differently. Our labs are well equipped, and we always keep upgrading our lab equipments to stay in the forefront of technology.
Our labs are completely equipped with all the necessary civil engineering materials. They are very welcoming when we ask for materials and when we come up with new ideas and projects. The lab staff stay with us throughout our project and they guide us too. There's something very different about our university is that they involve us in more practical sessions.
Softwares, which is very important for mechanical engineering. We can get exposure in different softwares like CADian, AutoCAD, ANSYS, MATLabs, and HyperWorks, HyperMesh, and HCAM, SolidWorks. We have so many softwares where we get exposure to, and we also get hands-on experience on working all these CADs, and we also have very small projects by using these softwares. Apart from this, we also have hands-on work experience in different manufacturing labs as well. The major attraction in mechanical engineering in Amrita is our SA or club, in which we have different events. One of them is building a Formula-style race car. which we call as a formula students. And here we design, we analyze, we stimulate, and we manufacture a formula style prototype. So we call ourselves as race engineers.
We also provide the opportunities for the students to build research in a compassionate manner. The moment the compassion is aroused, the solutions come in a larger perspective. It will give a leap forward. And we are also clear that it is not enough to have worker silence. So we provide the opportunity, an ecosystem is provided for global engagement to provide solutions for large scale challenges.
Right from the second year, we have at least 1 or 2 mini projects every semester, and I understand its value only now that I'm applying for graduate studies abroad. Apart from my CGPA and scores, the research experience and internships that we get are of the utmost importance. Plus, Amrita's name is recognized everywhere. Whether I apply for an internship in DRDO, they know Amrita College, and some of my friends are now employed in NAL because they recognize our faculty.
Amrita provides one of the best atmosphere in terms of the people that are associated with Amrita. If you look at the professors here, most of them have huge years of experience in academics. Some of them have come down from the industries. Some of them have been CTOs or the technical leads and other things. So when you look at it at that aspect, the people actually make Amrita a really good place.
So we encourage a lot of our faculty to attend workshops and conferences both in India and abroad. Our Chancellor's Scholarship Program allows our faculty to spend close to 6 months in any university outside India of their choice. I think they learn how things are done outside and they bring that culture back into Amrita, and that benefits our students. We have 8 undergraduate programs and about 29 master's programs with 50 plus specializations. We also offer doctoral degrees in engineering and interdisciplinary areas.
After completing my BTech, I chose Computational Engineering and Networking branch in this Amrita University because I am very much interested in artificial intelligence developing systems. Why I chose this department? Because this is the very unique department that implements the data-driven models which empowers the AI technology. This department mainly works on data science and data-driven models. I came to know that Amrita University, which is ranked 8th in the top universities in India, is providing this course in the branch of Computational Engineering and Networking. And I came to know that this branch is very unique and this type of course is not at all provided in this nation. This is very unique branch.
We have introduced something called Live-in Labs in our curriculum. What it actually means is that the students have to spend close to 10 days to a week or maybe sometimes a month in villages where there are so many issues. And we encourage students to look at the problems and choose a problem that they want to solve. They come back, spend about a semester or sometimes up to a year, and they come up with solutions that can be implemented in the villages. And that's what I talk about engineering. It's about solving problems and real life problems.
Amrita believes in a holistic education perspective, which is in consonance with our vision of making a person who is able to live and also contribute a lot to the society so that he can live in harmony with society and nature.
Cultural education is a course which is being offered as a part of BTech program. It is also a part of all integrated courses. And this course is spread over 4 semesters. In Amrita Darshanam, we are offering courses which will enable the students not only just to acquire some professional skills, but it will also enable them to prepare for life.
So I believe that Amrita just has that family kind of environment that promotes quality learning.
Amrita has been well endowed with top positions in Government of India's accreditation and rankings. Amrita has secured A grade for the second time in the National Assessment and Accreditation Council's NAACS accreditation.
The rewards have been 3 rankings, 2 international rankings, Times Higher Education and QS, as well as the national ranking framework of the MHRD. In all of these rankings, we have consistently achieved the label as the top private university in India, and in the national rankings as the 8th best overall universities among all universities in India.
And we are going to celebrate our 25th anniversary next year. So if you look at it from that point of angle, we have around 20,000 plus alumni just for the School of Engineering. So and most of the placements, the internships, all the activities that happens in Amrita, there is a say from alumni into that. Even the curriculum network or the curriculum revisions that happen in Amrita are taken care from alumni inputs. So at Amrita we have a mentor program. So we put out the word to alumni that there are students who wish to work in such and such area. So interested alumni contact these departments, say that we are ready to mentor these students. So that is direct transfer of knowledge from alumni to the student.
At Amrita, CIR or Corporate and Industry Relations has evolved in the last 2 decades out of the original setup for developing industry-institute interaction. Initially, the focus was to develop close relation with industry for various engagements, like support for establishing centers of excellence, getting industry experts to speak on conferences, seminars, workshops, facilitate faculty development programs in niche areas, funded projects in areas of common interest, and get subject matter experts to participate in mock interviews, group discussions, and so on. There was also this essential element of industry involvement in student empowerment through short-term and long-term internships, many of them leading to full-time employment offers.
So we can tell that our CIR helps us in a perfect way to just get into an interview and sit in front of the interviewer without any tension or anything. They train us to speak well, they improve our communication skills, they improve our group discussion skills and presentation skills too. This helps us to stand away in our outside the world, outside our college, if it's off-campus interview too.
In Amrita universities, the placements are really stupendous because they usually tell that for civil engineering, they don't have much placements, but here it's always 100% placements with a good percentage of students getting into core.
As for placement, in the last couple of years, we had nearly 200 plus companies visiting the campus each year and hiring for positions in India and abroad. Our placement is nearly 95 to 97%, and we are also successful in ensuring core engineering students go to core companies, and that's very important. They are also, some of the students are in service companies, some are in product company, and some are in core engineering companies.
Amrita Technology Business Incubator is one of the most important components of Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham's innovation ecosystem. The Technology Business Incubator's main objective is to actually promote talent, nurture innovation, and help the students and faculty of Amrita convert their ideas into tangible products resulting in successful entrepreneurship. The Technology Business Incubator was established a few years ago and is heavily supported by the university as well as the central government of India.
Then as far as the discipline is concerned, there is a structure in place to look after the safety and security of the students. The structures are the disciplinary committee, the anti-ragging committee, and also the women's complaints and redressal committee. So whenever a disciplinary issue comes up, proper inquiry is carried out so that the facts of the matter is established and disciplinary action is initiated only if it is warranted. As far as ragging is concerned, we have zero tolerance for ragging. There are strict norms given by the UGC and AICTE, and we follow the terms in letter and spirit.
Besides just classrooms and research labs, I think it's also important that students enjoy. And we have some excellent sports facilities here, and there are so many clubs that students can go participate in any of those clubs of their interest and choice. A lot of the students' clubs are actually thriving and they're actually driven by the students. And it's the fact that the participation is so great.
Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham personifies academic excellence through the exceptional quality of its education system and sports facilities that is modern and comprehensive. For an all-round development, Amrita College acknowledges sports as important as classes and gives equal weightage to it. The university is well equipped with outdoor and indoor sports facilities and regularly organizes inter-college sports meet.
Anokha Tech Fest has caught the imagination of this country. It is now ranked as one of the best tech fests in India and the only one to have United Nations Academic Impact accreditation.
Anokha is the annual cultural fest of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. It has grown to become a beacon of fun and frolic. An epitome of celebration, it is a 3-day-long event every year. The celebration witnesses over an average rotating crowd of around 15,000. A wide variety of events in various genres like literary arts, fine arts, performing arts, sports, IT events are organized. The fest has also played host to several respected, talented and well-known celebrities over the years.
Now, right from the day a student joins a campus, we have a talent search. The talents of the students are identified and then they are encouraged to join various clubs. Talking about clubs, you name it and we have it. It's arts, science, sports, music, drama, the list goes on. We have about 14 clubs in the campus.
We have a mega event in this campus called the Gokulashtami.
Gokulashtami is the flagship festival of the campus, glorifying Lord Krishna. The entire campus is participative in this. The event starts about 2 months prior to the beginning.
Amrita's existence and growth has been driven by the vision of Mata Amritanandamayi Devi. And that's what actually you see, because when students join, we're just part of a big family. Trust me, you're not leaving your home, you're just leaving home to join another family.
We, the students
of Amrita,
gaining professional
and academic excellence
through world-class facilities
and the best faculties.
Amrita identifies,
provides
and maintains
the best environment
for an
all-round development.
to carve a responsible citizen.
Out of each student,
A lot of emphasis is placed on
eco-friendly
and conservation practices.
We believe that in order to make a society,
We need to be better individuals first.
individuals who are willing
to lend a helping hand.
To roll up their sleeves and to support one another.
The society
nation
Will surely be benefiting
from each student.
Future belongs to us. We are proud of Amrita.
Love and compassion is our culture. Come join Amrita.